unfortunately I didn't get the parts from this one, but I got the part from the other one.
I see. Sorry if the cameras are gonna buzz, guys. There's something wrong with this phone camera. So if it buzzes, just ignore it. There's nothing I can do because all S23 Ultra phones have that issue.
Wait, they buzz?
Yeah, I gotta show you one of my videos. I don't really trust taking it to a Samsung phone because if something happens with it, I'm not gonna have anything left to film with. I cannot afford to get a new, like, good phone right now, so I'm just gonna have to live with the buzzing. Only under certain lighting conditions.
Is it still buzzing now?
No, right now it's... Or in the other elevator it did.
Oh, okay.
Let's switch sides.
When we filmed the freight elevators, it wasn't buzzing in those, was it?
No, thank God. Like, I'm gonna get some retakes of some in Dallas that buzz, but even if it does, it's just too bad.
I didn't know that.
It was after the One UI 6 update is when the buzzing started. Hopefully Samsung fixes it.